The theme for this year's report is Against My Will, defying the practices that harm women and girls and undermine equality. There are over 19 harmful practices that I mentioned in the report, starting with child marriage, incest, GBV, female genital mutilation, you name it. Here in Botswana, one of the most prevalent harmful practice is gender-based violence. We all know that in Botswana, 1 out of 3 women have experienced gender-based violence in their lifetime. During the COVID-19 pandemic, just 1 week into the lockdown, it became very clear that for women and girls, we are dealing with another pandemic within the COVID-19 pandemic, which is the pandemic of gender-based violence. Within 1 week, there were cries for increased safety shelters for women and girls. There were reports of increased GBV cases. Now, this year being the beginning of the decade of action, a call to all stakeholders is to make sure that we all double and triple our action towards achieving the SDGs. One of the SDGs, particularly the target on 5.3, which is about ending harmful practices, including GBV, by 2030, is one that is really relevant for Botswana as a country with one of the highest rates of GBV in the country. What the report says is that, yes, progress has been made. We have seen governments making promises, making commitments, enacting laws, and implementing effective programs. But the daily lives of women and girls show that much more needs to be done. And this needs a lot of stakeholders. It needs leadership at community level. It needs women and girls themselves. It needs men to take up responsibility and also start speaking out about GBV in the country. In many societies, including here in Botswana, oftentimes when a woman is abused, she is blamed for bringing the abuse unto herself. I would like to quote here our former Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, who said that violence against women is never acceptable, never excusable, and never tolerable.